welcome to my new Bachata tutorial. But first, check out the demo of the choreography I'm going to teach you later.
Pensando en cuando te vi, bebé, yo sé que tú lo sientes también. Son tus ganas, mala mía, quería repetirlo otra vez. Te perdí, ay qué casualidad, esta noche nos volvemos a ver. Y yo que no sabía nada de ti, pensando en cuando te vi, bebé, te imaginaba y ahora te tengo cerca.
So, I hope you like it. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, my name is Anna. As always, all information about music you can find in the descriptions down below. And just before we will get started, I want to give you a few tips and tricks like usually. And today I want to talk about breathing. Breathing is very important. Never stop breathing while executing any movement, any motion. Why? Because when you breathe, your upper body muscles, your lower body muscles participate in breathing. And if you stop breathing, if you block your breathing, when you, for example, are struggling doing certain movements, you know, sometimes it happens when you're so focused on execution any movement, you just stop breathing, and it's very bad because when you stop breathing, you block your muscles, and your muscles aren't able to work properly, and that's why it's very important to breathe. If you want your movements to look beautiful, if you want to dance and have fluid, nice, smooth movements, you should breathe all the time. And also your body needs oxygen anytime. And just don't stop breathing, and you will see how it will benefit your dancing. And now let's get started. Okay, transfer your weight on your left foot. You are in position of right bevel, and don't worry, as always I'm going to flip screen. Just imagine that you are dancing looking into the mirror. And okay, here we are in the position of the right bevel, and on 1, 2, 3, 4 it's just a basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 5, 6, tap on 6, 7, 8. It's very simple. And one more time with arm work. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I prepare my hand, bringing them down. And now on 5, I do 5, tap 6. And now I'm turning my wrists around and I'm bringing them next to my chest on 7, 8. So it's 6, 7, 8. Good. Your weight is on your right foot. Now, on 1, 2, we have a hip roll, and 3, 4, you will see, you will just bring your right foot to the left, but step by step. Okay, on 1, I take a step to the left, I start my hip roll. 1, 2, I finish here, and 3, 4. Here on 3, 4 you have two options, or you can just do 3, 4, or you bend your right knee and do 3, 4, like little body roll. Just quick reminding of how to do body roll. So you are here, now you just bring your hip, then squeeze your obliques and go up. So you squeeze your obliques Now chest up, shoulder up, and your right shoulder on the same level with your left one, and you bring your right foot to the left. Okay, good job. After that, we have a body roll. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, one more time, body roll. So as you can see, we have 2 counts for full body roll and 2 counts for hip. And here, quick reminding. So, and you prepare on 1, you take a step, you open your chest. You take a step and you squeeze your abs. And very smoothly you go down. Don't skip any part. Remember, if you want your movement to be fluid, you really have to engage very part of your body. And I know here it can be kind of complicated because you have only 2 counts to do full body roll, but I'm sure you will do it. Okay, so 5, 6, and 7, 8. Here, I hope everything is clear till now. And let's keep going. So we finish here in this position on the 8. And now 1, stretch your left foot, arch your lower back, and very beautifully go down. Here, remember, you do everything according to conditioning of your body. Just pay attention to the stretching your knee and arching your back. Don't go too down to look like that. No, this is not our goal. Our goal is to have beautiful arched back and beautiful stretched left leg. Go as far as you can. So you have 4 counts to go down, so it looks like 1, and yes, as you can see, I have a little wave. So I'm starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you go up 4, you finish, and on 5 you go up. At the same time, I push myself with my right foot, and I turn. So a turn looks like that. If you want, I can turn, like this. So as you can see, I do my turn being in this position. I just push myself with my right foot and I turn. Sorry, I'm confused this direction right now. Okay, so 5. With arm work, I think it's also clear only when you go on your body roll. You keep them just like that. 10, when you have hip, you just keep them down. And only before going down, while you do a little reverse roll, I'm just like touching my hip. So 1, 2, and then I just touch my leg all the way down. And here, keep energy in your palms. So don't be like that. It's not cute, not nice. So always have enough energy in your muscles. Dance from head to toe. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I just use my hands to keep the balance while I'm turning. Okay, and 1 more 8 to finish. And here 1 more body roll, but this time to the side and back. And then we have just chest roll. Okay, now with counts. So we have 4 counts to do side body roll to the right. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4, make sure that you sit completely. And at this moment I also sings something like you, so it's very nice if you do like you pointing someone. So it looks like that. As you can see, my hands, they are just very light. They do just something that is very comfortable for me to execute my wave. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm kinda like, you see, my hands are following my hip movement like that. So here, 4, and now reverse. 5, 6. And before to finish your wave, as you can see, I lean down with my shoulders, my head, to bring my head up to the toes. And also here, one more thing, always glue your chin to your neck. Because you want to have more room. If you will have more room, you will have more distance and more energy to bring all your hair behind you, and you will avoid having messy hair here in front of you on your face. So it was 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, one more time. We are here at 4. Now 5, 6 at the same time. On 6 I do I do chest roll and circle with my hand, left to right. And body roll is right to left. And with my hands, it's like left to right. So it's 6. And now my left hand up, my right hand down. I have just little chest pops, like 7, 8. And we are done. Then you can just walk nicely somewhere from this thing. Okay, one more time. Everything from the top. I will be facing you. And here, beginning, we are preparing in the right bevel. And basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip roll. 1, 2, and little body roll. 3, 4. And body roll. 5, 6. Hip, hip. Reverse little wave and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And reverse. 5, 6, 7, 8. And now from the back. Okay, and right bevel and basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, step, tap. And 1, 2, body roll, body roll. 1, I'm sorry, maybe you are confused now. So here, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, look on your hip. It helps your viewer to understand where they should keep the focus. Then dance doesn't look so messy. So you look at your hip, 7, 8, and a little wave down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are done. Now I'm going to show you everything to the music, also from the back and facing you. So I will let you know when we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 7, 8 and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 3, 4. And we are done, dancers. This is the end of this short tutorial. I hope you had some fun and it was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!